Hey, I'm so excited to introduce you to my amazing friends. Come on, let's meet them. This is my friend Gina the giraffe. Gina, can you say hello to everyone?
Hi kids, I'm Gina the giraffe. I have a really long neck that helps me eat leaves from tall trees. Nice to meet you all.
And here's Zach the zebra. Zach, say hi to our friends!
Hey everyone, I'm Zach the zebra. I have black and white stripes all over. Can you count my stripes? 1, 2, 3.
Now let's meet Leo the lion. Leo, can you give a big hello?
Roar! Hi there. I'm Leo the lion. I'm the king of the jungle, and I love to take naps in the sun. It's great to see you.
Here's Ruby the rabbit. Ruby, say hello to everyone.
Hello kids, I'm Ruby the rabbit. I love hopping around and munching on carrots. Let's hop together.
It's Fiona the fox. Fiona, can you say hi?
Hi, I'm Fiona the fox. I'm quick and clever. I love playing hide and seek. Can you find me in the forest?
Last but not least, meet Sammy the snake. Sammy, say hello to our friends.
Hi there, I'm Sammy the snake. I slither on the ground and love to bask in the sun. So nice to meet you.
Aren't my friends awesome? We all live here in the forest and love to play and learn together. Remember, every animal is special in their own way, just like each of you. Thanks for visiting us today. We hope you had fun meeting everyone. See you next time in the forest. Bye-bye.